Welcome. In front of me I have WIKO View Go, and today I will show you how you can set up Hey Google in this phone. So you have to go for your Google app, find more, move to the settings, click on voice, tap on voice match. Here we get the Hey Google option, so we have to tap on the switcher, click next, tap right here, click to continue, and in my case it's ready, but you will get circle like that, and you have to say OK Google for the 2 times. So let's make it OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, and 2 times Hey Google, Hey Google, and the last one, Hey Google, Hey Google. Okay, as you can see, it's finished. Right now, when you use the voice command, Hey Google or OK Google, assistant will be activated. So let's make it Hey Google, OK Google. As you can see, our Google Assistant is activated. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.